Have you seen sway bar bushings like these ones here that you can see through? Well, this is the case we have today, and to my own surprise, I won't be replacing them, but instead I'll be fixing them because we couldn't find the right size of bushings for this sway bar and this truck because the truck is so old already. So let's get started. 14mm bolt here. No wonder there is a lot of clunking on this truck because look at these sway bar bushings here are completely gone. They are not even sway bar bushings anymore. So I'm gonna be repairing them as I said. Let's see. Alright, and I'm gonna be using 2 pieces of radiator hoses here. So I'm gonna be using 2, and please don't do it this way if you don't want to. I'm doing this on my own. I'm not telling anybody to do it this way, but I know this repair works very well and it lasts for so many years. I have done it before, so please don't do it if you don't want to. I'm not telling you to do it. And I'm using the remainder of the bushing here to keep the bracket in place. And I want to say that the owner of the vehicle bought 2 pairs of bushings, but the twice that he bought them, they were the wrong ones, very sloppy, so that's why we decided to do it this way. Alright, and this is how it looks right now. Now that I have done this side here, as you can see, I cannot see through anymore. It looks very good. I'm telling you, it's gonna last for so many years because I have done it before. Alright, and I have done the other side too, and this is how it looks like. The opening you see right there is because of the piece of hose, radiator hose. It has to be resistant to temperature, remember? And that's why. But I used one piece, only one piece, because this sway bar bushing on this side is a little bit better than the one I did on the other side. Again, don't use this method if you don't want to. As I said in the beginning, I'm doing it this way because I had to do it because we needed to get it done. The truck was clunking a lot. Thanks for watching the video and God bless you all.